tables and chairs rental service in St. Augustine, Florida. Need equipment for your event? Whether it's a wedding, birthday, or corporate gathering, Once Upon a Chair Rental is here to help. We provide top-quality tables and chairs rental service in St. Augustine, Florida. Our extensive selection includes elegant banquet tables and comfortable folding chairs, perfect for any occasion. From small parties to grand celebrations, we have what you need to make your event unforgettable. And it's not just about tables and chairs. We also offer premium tabletop rentals, beautiful dinnerware, glassware, and linens to elevate your event to the next level. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers rave about our quality service and attention to detail, ensuring everything is delivered on time and in perfect condition. Why choose Once Upon a Chair Rental? We pride ourselves on quality, reliability, and exceptional customer service. Our team makes the process simple and stress-free so you can focus on what matters most, your event. Call us today at 689-986-5490 to book your rentals, or visit our website to explore all our options. Let Once Upon a Chair Rental make your event a celebration to remember.